Welcome everyone back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy rose tea. If this is the first time you're watching the channel, just to let you know, you're welcome. Thanks for having you and thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment, and I'll take you through the process. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So here I have some lovely rose petal in here, and I'm gonna show you what it look like. This is so amazing how they get to dry it and it come out this natural. Just have a look at this. And they still dry. Just gonna put a few here. They smell lovely also. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely tea. Very beautiful, healthy. So this rose here is very healthy when you use it like for tea, or you can even use it in salads. It is good for your digestive system. People that struggle with diabetes and obesity, this is really healthy and good for you if you consume it on a regular basis. And this also helps reduce the risk of heart diseases and inflammation in the body. And one of the most important thing with this rose, it's as effective as ibuprofen and paracetamol. Even you can use it in an aspirin form, like for pain relief. So I'm going to go through a process, very quick and easy process, and show you how to brew this lovely tea. So with this beautiful and healthy tea, you don't need to boil it. You just need to get one of these small teapots, and it comes with a strainer inside of it. So we're going to take a couple of these. About that should be all right. And then you're going to just basically put some hot water over this, because what you want to do, you want it to draw like you're brewing it. I want you guys to see this. Once the heat touches the roses, what they look like. So just go ahead and just put the lid on like so and let it sit for probably about 2 to 3 minutes. Just gonna take up one of these and show you guys how these expand. Look at this. This is so amazing. So now, as you can see the color on the side, I'll give you a better view. That's the color of the side of it. So now you're gonna get your glass or your teacup, whether you want a transparent one like this, and then you just pour it out in it. So there, your rose tea is ready. You can just go ahead and just pop 2 of these in like so. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. Please do remember to share, like, and subscribe. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching.